This is the Getting Started activity for 7th grade, Module 1, Topic 2, Lesson 2. Go ahead and pause here to read the activity description. In the activity description, you just learned what a complex ratio is, which is simply a ratio where either one or two of the numbers, both of the numbers, are written as a fraction. Simple, but complex. Okay, bad joke. I will now read number 1. In this activity, you're going to rewrite each given rate as an equivalent ratio of fractions or complex ratio by converting one or both units of measure. And I'm going to read each of them. Part A. 1/2 inch of rain fell in 15 minutes. To get you thinking, think about 15 minutes compared to an hour would give you what fraction? 1B. Sam ran 3,520 feet in 20 minutes. The same thinking can be applied here. 20 minutes is what fraction compared to an hour? Part C. The baby gains 6 ounces every week. Here you can think, how many ounces make a pound? And part D. Gas costs $2.50 per gallon. Pause here and answer A, B, C, and D. Let's now review our answers. In purple, we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 15 minutes out of 60 minutes would give you 1/4. So that we can say 1/2 inch or 1/2 an inch of rain fell in 1/4 of an hour or 1/4 of an hour. Part B. For this, you could have either turned one part or both parts of the ratio into fractions. You could have gotten 3,520 feet over 1/3 of an hour, or 2/3 of a mile over 1/3 of an hour. Part C. Looking at your reference sheet, you could have found that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. And when we simplify 6 out of 16, then you get 3/8. So you could have wrote this as 3/8 of a pound per 1 week or per week. And part D. You could have thought of this two different ways. You could have seen that $2.50, if I split that in half, that'll give me $1.25 per half gallon. Or you also could have thought of, how is $2.50 made up? Well, I know that I have 5 halves, meaning 5 50 cents. That is going to give me $2.50 for each gallon. And this concludes the Getting Started activity. You just learned about complex ratios and demonstrated how to write one. If possible, go ahead and turn to a neighbor and summarize what is a complex ratio and how would you write one?